Have you ever pondered what the world would be like if machines could think and learn like humans? It's a thought that has intrigued scientists, tech enthusiasts, and dreamers alike for decades. The concept we're talking about here is artificial intelligence, or AI, a field that has seen phenomenal growth and development in recent years. Artificial intelligence is the science of making machines do things that would require intelligence if done by humans. It's about designing systems that can understand, learn, and adapt to new situations, much like we humans do. And it's not just a concept anymore, it's a reality that's transforming our world in ways we never imagined. Consider self-driving cars, for instance. A few years back, the idea of a car driving itself seemed straight out of a sci-fi movie. But today, thanks to AI, self-driving cars are no longer a dream but a reality. These cars use AI to interpret the environment around them, make decisions, and navigate the roads, all without a human behind the wheel. Then there's voice recognition technology, another marvel of AI. We can now talk to our devices and they understand us. From asking your smartphone for the weather forecast to commanding your smart home devices, voice recognition has made our lives easier and more convenient. And let's not forget recommendation systems. Ever wondered how your favorite streaming platform knows just what movie you'd like to watch next? Or how your online shopping site seems to know your taste in fashion? That's AI at work, analyzing your behavior and preferences to make personalized recommendations. But as with all powerful technologies, AI also has a darker side. It holds immense potential for misuse, from invasion of privacy to manipulation of information. So, while we marvel at the wonders of AI, we must also be mindful of its potential pitfalls. AI, a groundbreaking technology, also holds the potential for misuse. Let's explore how. As we delve deeper into the world of AI in the coming scenes, we'll shed light on the beneficial uses of AI, the dark side of AI, and how we can strike a balance between use and misuse. So stay tuned as we navigate this fascinating journey. Imagine a world where AI aids in healthcare, improves our daily lives, and boosts productivity. This isn't the realm of science fiction, but the reality we are stepping into thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. From healthcare to transportation, from entertainment to our everyday lives, AI is revolutionizing sectors, making life easier and more efficient. Take healthcare, for instance. AI is playing a crucial role in medical advancements, helping doctors diagnose diseases with a level of accuracy and speed that was unthinkable a few decades ago. AI algorithms analyze medical images, detect anomalies, and even predict the likelihood of diseases, contributing to early detection and improved patient outcomes. In transportation, AI is the driving force behind autonomous vehicles. These smart vehicles use AI to analyze traffic, road conditions, and navigate the best routes, promising a future of safer and more efficient travel. AI is also transforming public transport systems, optimizing routes and schedules to minimize congestion and reduce travel time. As for entertainment, AI is becoming a game changer. It's personalizing our experiences, curating content based on our preferences, and even creating art and music. It's the magic behind the scenes that recommends the next movie to watch or the next song to listen to, tailored just for you. And let's not forget how AI is streamlining our daily lives. From virtual assistants that manage our schedules to smart home systems that control our living spaces, AI is making everyday tasks easier and more convenient. It's helping businesses too, automating routine tasks, analyzing data, and driving decisions, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. But it's not all sunshine and roses. With great power comes great responsibility. AI, with its immense potential, also brings with it potential risks and challenges. While AI has numerous benefits, it also harbors potential risks and challenges. This is the paradox of AI, a tool that can be both a boon and a bane. As we move forward, it's crucial that we strike the right balance, leveraging the benefits while mitigating the risks. What if AI technology falls into the wrong hands or goes rogue? That's a question that keeps many up at night. As we look at the dark side of AI, we're forced to grapple with scenarios that, while they may sound like science fiction, are becoming increasingly plausible. Imagine a world where AI is used to intrude on your privacy. A world where every click, every like, every online interaction is monitored, analyzed, and used to create a digital portrait of you. This is not some dystopian future. It's a reality we're inching towards. Data is the new oil, and AI is the engine that consumes it. Misused, it can turn into a tool for unprecedented invasion of privacy. But it's not just about privacy. AI can also be weaponized to spread disinformation. With the advent of deepfakes, AI can fabricate convincing videos of anyone saying anything. The implications are staggering. It could destabilize societies, spread fake news, and manipulate public opinion on a grand scale. We're at a point where seeing isn't necessarily believing anymore. Then there's the issue of job displacement. As AI gets smarter and automation becomes more prevalent, many fear their jobs will be taken over by machines. From manufacturing to customer service, no sector is immune. This could lead to widespread unemployment and economic instability. And let's not forget about the ethical issues. Who's responsible if an autonomous car causes an accident? Who's accountable if an AI system makes a decision that harms someone? These are complex questions that our legal and ethical frameworks aren't fully equipped to handle yet. Clearly, the misuse of AI can have serious implications, but is it all doom and gloom? That's a question we'll tackle as we continue to explore the balance between the use and misuse of AI. Stay tuned. How do we strike a balance between harnessing the power of AI and preventing its misuse? This is a question that has been on the minds of many as we continue to witness the rapid evolution of artificial intelligence. One way to achieve this balance is through the implementation of comprehensive regulations. Just as we have rules for operating vehicles or constructing buildings, we need frameworks in place to ensure the safe and ethical use of AI. Regulations can guide the development and deployment of AI technologies, establishing standards for data privacy, security, and accountability. However, regulations alone are not enough. Transparency is another crucial component in this balancing act. Tech companies, research institutions, and governments alike must be open about their AI practices. This means providing clear explanations of how AI systems work, what data they use, and how they make decisions. Transparency not only builds trust, but also allows for informed discussions about the potential risks and benefits of AI. Ethical considerations should also be at the forefront of AI development. AI systems should be designed with respect for human rights, diversity, and fairness in mind. This includes ensuring that AI does not perpetuate harmful biases or discrimination. We need ethical guidelines and principles that shape the use of AI in a way that benefits society as a whole and respects individual rights. The responsibility of striking this balance lies with all of us. Governments have a role to play in enacting and enforcing regulations. Research institutions can contribute through rigorous studies and open discussions about AI ethics. Tech companies, as the primary developers and users of AI, must commit to transparency and ethical practices. The journey to achieving this balance is not an easy one. It requires ongoing dialogue, collaboration, and a shared commitment to creating a world where AI is used responsibly and for the greater good. But the effort is well worth it. Because as we continue to navigate this digital age, striking this balance is the key to unlocking the full potential of AI. So, where does this leave us in the grand scheme of things? As we stand on the brink of a new era, the uses and potential misuses of artificial intelligence are becoming increasingly apparent. From making our lives more comfortable and efficient to potentially undermining our privacy and security, AI's impact is far-reaching and profound. AI's potential for good is undeniable. It's revolutionizing industries like healthcare and education, making predictive analytics more accurate and even helping us fight climate change. AI is enhancing our ability to understand and interact with the world around us in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. On the flip side, the misuse of AI presents a different picture. It's not all doom and gloom, but it's crucial to recognize the risks. AI technologies can be used for malicious purposes such as deepfakes, cyber attacks, and mass surveillance. These threats are real and their implications are serious. The key takeaway here is the importance of responsible AI usage. As AI continues to evolve and integrate into our lives, we need to ensure it's used ethically and responsibly. It's not just about harnessing the power of AI for good, but also about preventing its misuse. It's also worth noting that the need for regulations is paramount. We must establish comprehensive laws and guidelines to govern AI usage. These regulations should not only protect individuals and society at large from potential harm, but also promote the positive, transformative potential of AI. Yet, amidst all these, we shouldn't lose sight of the human element. AI is a tool, a powerful one indeed, but it's us, humans, who wield it. We must always remember that behind every AI system, there's a human hand guiding its course. In the end, the future of AI is in our hands. It's up to us to shape it for the betterment of humanity.